Miranisa, a content creator from Ghana, and this is Miranisa's Mini Moments. If you're new here, I must tell you we have a lot of fun and you don't want to miss out, so make sure you subscribe right now. Yeah, like right now. We can wait. We can wait. We'll only continue this video after you've subscribed. I'm just saying. So, subscribe. In this video, I will be showing you how I have been styling my French curl braids. If you've been here long enough, you know when I hopped on the French curl braids train. Like, I got these braids for my birthday and it's easily top 10, one of my favorite hairstyles I've done. I'm going to do this hairstyle in every single color. You people are going to be tired of me because this style is cute, it's fun, it's stylish, and every single day I walk out my door, I get a compliment. I'm getting compliments left, right, center. Like the last time I was buying fried yam and then some fine girl, like the girl was fine. She was like, wow, I love your braids. And you know what's better than a compliment? A compliment from a fine girl. So when I say that this hairstyle is giving what it's supposed to give, it is. But by the end of this video, you're going to make the hairstyle give even more. It's going to give cute, stylish, classy, elegant, cute. Did I say that already? Yeah, it's going to give all the gifts. So I'll not talk plenty. Let's go and style this hair. That is the end of my video, and those are the ways that I styled my braids. I think you can find a few styles that you yourself can replicate, and I think you should really get French curl braids if you haven't already, because I'm taking off these braids soon, and quite genuinely I'm sad about it, because I was stylish every, like, 24/7. I was stylish. Like, I woke up cute. Like, you couldn't tell me nothing. Like, I was going to buy tomatoes from the junction and I was feeling cute because of these braids. So I'm taking them off, and yeah, I'm definitely sad about it. But like I said, I'm going to do this in several other colors and you guys will see it, so stay tuned. But yes, that's the way I styled my braids. It's really cute, fun, elegant styles, like styles for any occasion, and really easy to do. So let me know which of these styles was your favorite and which ones you'll be doing. And if you haven't hopped on the French curl braids train, I'm gonna ask why, because you have to. Anywho, like I said before, if you're new here, we have a lot of fun and you don't want to miss out, so make sure you're subscribed. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey, I see you, I appreciate you. Thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos. It means the world to me, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye. Mwah.